Did you know the most advanced AI therapist ever built got outsmarted by the sound of her own loading screen? Meet Zelda 9, year 2150. She has a clinically perfect answer for every human problem, delivered in 0.003 seconds. Depression? Fixed. Anxiety? Solved. Relationship drama? Here is a 17-step plan. You are welcome. But Zelda has a problem. Nobody is getting better. Then her data throws her a curveball she cannot compute. The patients improving the fastest are not the ones who got her best answers. They are the ones she accidentally let keep talking for an extra 40 seconds while her system buffered. 40 seconds of silence. Zero advice. Maximum healing. She runs the numbers 400 times. Same result every time. Small truth. Being heard is not the consolation prize for not being fixed. For most people, being heard is the fix. The smartest thing in the room is sometimes the one that stops talking first. When did someone just listening change everything for you? Drop it in the comments.